big day for PSU banks because you have Bank of Baroda that reports its numbers and following it a long list of smaller PSU names. But Ekta joins in now. Ekta, it's all about the asset quality for Bank of Baroda.
Yes, and if you remember last quarter, Bank of Baroda had come out with its numbers on a Saturday, and then we had the stock in fact react on the positive side on Monday's trading session simply because the street had 2 days to absorb all of what Bank of Baroda had reported last quarter. And one of the things which stood out was that the asset quality review hit had been entirely compensated for in Q3. So that's the reason why the street is going in with a more benign expectation in terms of the asset quality, as well as maybe expectations that the slippages will be to the tune of around 4 to 5,000 odd crores as opposed to the 15,000 crores that they reported in the previous quarter. But the street is still cautious in terms of the NII simply because of what they could throw up in terms of interest reversals. So the NII is expected to decline around 4 odd %. They recorded interest reversals of around 700 crores last quarter and a profit figure of around a decline of 50 odd %. But do watch out for the provision figure because the profits will be contingent on that, and there are some analysts who are going to keep a keen eye on the employee provision figure this quarter as well. So overall, asset quality should be better than what they reported in the previous quarter, and any sort of bounce back in the net interest margins, which came in at around 1.7%, would be a positive for Bank of Baroda. Loan growth was very weak last quarter. It was a decline of 2 odd % simply because the bank said that they are consolidating at this point in time.
No guesses or polls on the likely NPA figure?
Not on the NPA figure, but the slippage run rate should be between 4 to 5,000 crores according to analysts this time.
All right, Ekta, thanks for that. Well, those